Your bank account is leaking $1,200 a month, and you don't even know it. By the time this video ends, you'll have a step-by-step plan to plug the hole and replace your salary by Friday. Let's move. Let's get real. 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck. You're terrified of unexpected bills. You're trading time for money, watching life slip by. But what if I told you the system's rigged, and you're the sucker? Here's the truth. Wealth isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter. Passive income isn't a myth. It's a math hack. And today, I'm handing you 9 blueprints. But first, why should you trust me? If you like the video, then like and subscribe to the channel so you can get the next video. Now let's move on to the ideas. Number 1, automated rental portfolios. I don't own a single property. Instead, I use platforms like Airbnb to rent others' homes, cut deals with owners, automate bookings, and pocket 20% while traveling. But maybe you hate real estate. Chapter 2, AI side hustles. Ever heard of digital laziness? Train AI tools to write blogs, edit videos, even code. My AI clone made $4,000 last month selling ChatGPT prompts. Your move, Skynet. Number 3, silent YouTube channels. Yes, this very video could be making me money right now, but I'll reveal my editing team's lazy workflow after the break. One idea 4 to 6? Don't skip. Sucker 4, crypto yield farming. But warn, high risk, don't bet your avocado toast fund. Number 5, print on demand. Design once, sell forever. My cat's face earned $800 on mugs. 6, peer-to-peer lending. Be the bank. Charge 12% interest. Yes, it's that simple. Time's running out. The next 3 ideas? They're illegal in 7 states. Just kidding. Or am I? Year 7, royalty investing. Ever streamed a song? I earn 1 cent each time. Multiply by 10 million. Number 8, digital products. Sell PDFs. Seriously, my coffee money guide made $27,000 in 3 weeks. Choice 9, the dumbest one. Buy vending machines. Place them in gyms. Profit from thirsty gym bros, genius or greedy. You decide.